Hey little lovelies, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys enjoyed the video that I posted yesterday with a book called My Truck is Stuck. Today I have a new book about a bear who sleeps all winter long. Do you guys remember what it's called when a bear sleeps all winter long? If you do, have your parent comment down below so I know that you remembered. Also, I see that I got some new subscribers and also a couple people that like the video. I can't see exactly who that is, so comment, let me know that you're viewing this. All right, let's get to the book. If you have it at home, then go get it and we can read it together. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great big bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-patter, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. The coals pit-pop, and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twiddles wren, and everyone clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter, and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small pepper flake makes the bear achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear snarls. And bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stops. Bear growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pot more corn. We can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustering night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. but his friends snore on. I hope you guys enjoyed that book. I can't wait to make another one. Have a great day. Bye.